YouTrack is a proprietary commercial browser-based bug tracker, issue tracking system, and project management software. With YouTrack app, you can link case test cases and link case test runs to YouTrack issues. You can also create a new issue in YouTrack when you file a defect during a test run in Qase. To install YouTrack app in your workspace, first log into your YouTrack account, then click Install Now in the YouTrack app card. Proceed by inserting your YouTrack URL and authorization token. These can be obtained from your YouTrack workspace. In your YouTrack account, navigate to your user profile. Click Profile, then navigate to the Account Security tab. Here, you will find the Token section. Click New Token, give it a name and select its scope, then finalize creating it to receive the authorization token. Copy this token and head back to Qase. Once the YouTrack URL and authorization token have been added, go ahead and click Install. This will install the YouTrack app into your workspace. Using YouTrack app, you can link YouTrack issues with case test cases. In your case repository, select a test case that you would like to link to a YouTrack app issue. Search for YouTrack. Insert the YouTrack issue ID, click Search, and then click the Link button. Now this issue has been linked to the test case. If you want to remove this linking, click X beside the title, and the association will be removed. Your test runs are not left out either. You can link a case test run to a YouTrack issue by clicking Select an Integration and then clicking YouTrack app. Insert the YouTrack issue ID into the search box. Click the Link button and it will be linked. If you want to remove this external link, click the trash icon button and it will be unlinked. When you assign a failed, blocked, or invalid status, or any custom status of failure type to a test case in a run, you can create a case defect and an associated YouTrack issue. Upon creating the defect, choose the YouTrack integration, click Add Defects, then select the YouTrack project and fill in the required fields in the following modal window. When you're done, click Create. After you click Create, you will have a new YouTrack issue that can be accessed from the defects section of your test run. If you click the external issue title, it will take you to the YouTrack app where you will see the newly created issue. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles and our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message